In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable the calendar view inside a project and switch it to a monthly layout so you can see deadlines and upcoming work at a glance. First, open your browser and head to Asana's login page. On the Sign In screen, choose Continue with Google. This connects your Asana workspace to your Google account so you don't have to remember another password. Select the Google account you use for work and complete the sign-in. If your organization uses a different sign-in method, that's fine. Just make sure you're logged into the correct Asana workspace where your projects live. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want the calendar. You can find it from the sidebar under Home or Recent, or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of projects. Click the project to open it. If you work in a team space, make sure you have access to View and Update Project tabs. At the top of the project, you'll see the existing views such as List, Board, or Timeline. Look for the option to add another view. This is the Add tab button, often a plus sign next to the current tabs. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose Calendar. This creates a dedicated calendar tab for the project so you can switch to it anytime without losing your other views. If you already see a calendar tab, you can simply select it. With the calendar open, you'll typically start in a weekly view. To get a broader picture, change it to a monthly view. Look for the view selector at the top of the calendar. It may say week or have a drop-down. Click it and choose month. Now the calendar expands to show the entire month, and it becomes much easier to spot deadlines, clusters of tasks, and gaps where work can be scheduled. In this monthly view, you can quickly scan for upcoming tasks and confirm that due dates line up with your team's priorities. If your project includes task due dates and assignees, they'll appear right on the calendar, which is great for planning and status reviews. You can jump between weeks and months as needed, depending on how detailed you want your planning to be. Remember, this calendar is tied to your project, so it updates automatically as tasks and dates change. That's it, you've created a calendar in Asana, added it as a tab in your project, and switched it to a monthly view for better visibility. Thanks for watching and happy planning.